Wahala won't start now for APC as Governor Zulum dey protest over the endorsement of Tinubu without Shettima. Welcome, country people, to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go notify you of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, wahala don dey show face for the ruling All Progressive Congress APC as the governor of Borno State, Babagana Zulum, on Sunday he come lead protest after the party leaders endorse President Bola Tinubu for re-election without including Vice President Kashim Shettima. APC National Chairman Abdullahi Ganduje and the National Vice Chairman North-East, Comrade Mustapha Salihu, for one North-East stakeholders meeting for Gombe on Sunday, they endorsed Tinubu for a second term, but they no acknowledge Kashim Shettima when he be in vice. Ganduje and Salihu, they get to escort them out of the venue under heavy security as delegates them they protest over their failure to also endorse Shettima. And because of this development, the meeting can end for confusion. As people they react to this development, one public affairs analyst, Abdul Aziz Naib Abubakar, he said this thing go fit be the genesis of crisis when he go dey the party. He can't talk and say the beginning of the APC downfall. It don't start as Governor Zulum dey lead protest against the APC North-East meeting because they failed to endorse Kashim Shettima ahead of 2027. Now so he write and put for in X account, now be formerly Twitter. Newspaper don report earlier say tension dey for North-East after the big men for APC they endorse Tinubu, they leave out Shettima, who come from Borno State, and Borno dey inside that region. Last month, APC chairman Abdullahi Ganduje for the party national summit for Abuja announced Tinubu as the sole presidential candidate for 2027. Una go remember say President Tinubu during the Democracy Day speech for the National Assembly last Thursday, he mocked the opposition party, say there dey confusion. He say, "I'm making no person blame am because no be him cause am." This sign when e dey APC now, na indication say Tinubu no get the mind to run again with Kashim Shettima. Well, not until he come out to talk am, we go take am say na the realm of speculation na be that one. Wetin go be the problem? Abi the Kashima himself, he no dey pull weight, he no dey help Tinubu for the North-East when the opposition don dey gather for there against in second coming. Wetin go likely be the reason why even im own people for North-East, as the case may be now, they endorse Tinubu without their own person? Abi na they themselves no want make Kashima represent them? Wetin dey happen when e don dey show sign of wahala when 2027 never reach? Well, Nigerians as usual go dey make their speculations too. Opinion dey free. Somebody dey believe say Kachima dem na the types of the bad northern politicians when e no dey see far. Say those groups dey lack conscience and sincerity of purpose. Say during their campaign, say Kashima dey speak more than im master, and e dey convince northern illiterate to vote APC after e know the suffering wey Buhari bring come. E say na e good for am. Well, dis statement e no clear where the speaker dey go, neither here nor there, as dem dey talk am for English. Some other persons dey believe say e good if the implosion wey dem dey talk about now start to happen for APC, that everybody don dey jump their party, dey defect, dey go APC. That of course, the problem when e dey their party now, they go carry am, they go transfer the spirit enter the APC. E say na im wan begin dey affect the APC. However, like we talk, the president never come out to talk. E go too dey premature because 2027 is still far, even when politicians believe say e near well well. But if this thing go begin bring crisis, and the president e need the support of im vice, then e go good if the president come on air to clear say if they endorse am, e dey automatic say na im vice too dey endorse, since na joint ticket. That one go go a long way to calm the people from that region. Otherwise, the opposition when e dey form coalition, they go use that medium, that leverage, to take encroach enter the president support base, and that one go fit cause more problem for the president for that 2027. Opposition parties dem, they go like as these things dey play out. They go like as APC now don dey get the heat amongst themselves. However, like some people believe, President Tinubu na chess master of the political game. Say he know wetin im dey do, and at the right time im go play the game with the North-East politicians dem. Well, country people, now watch, we go dey watch to see who go make the next move first. Una see this development.